One resume for every job doesn't work. Each job needs a tailored resume. And in this video, I'll show you how to do that in minutes using Claude AI. So here we have a software engineer resume. Good experience, but written as a general resume, not for any specific job. And here's the job he's applying for: Senior Software Engineer at Technova, backend and cloud focused. Now the idea is simple. We're gonna give Claude the resume. I'm uploading it as a PDF, but you can paste it as text too if you prefer. Then I'm gonna give it a clear prompt. The first line tells Claude to reply in plain text only and not generate any files. After that, the prompt tells Claude to tailor the resume to the job description, rewrite the summary, reorder the bullet points, and match the keywords. And at the end, it tells Claude to leave a note explaining what it changed and flag anything to watch out for. You'll find the full prompt in the description below. Then paste the job description right underneath it, all in one message. Hit send. Look at what Claude does. The summary is completely rewritten. It now leads with backend systems, microservices, AWS, and cloud-native experience. Everything Technova is looking for. The bullet points are reordered too. The microservices migration bullet is now at the top. It's the strongest match for this role. Front-end work is pushed to the bottom, since the job only lists it as a nice-to-have. Skills section is reordered as well. Backend and cloud come before front-end now. And then scroll down. Claude leaves two sections at the bottom. First, what it changed and why. Every decision explained. Second, things to flag before you submit. This is where Claude gets really useful. It flagged that mentoring experience is missing, and the job description specifically asks for it. It also flagged that CI/CD tools should be named specifically, GitHub Actions or Jenkins, not just listed generically. And it clearly says it didn't add anything that wasn't already in the original resume. That honesty is exactly what you want from an AI tool. Now you've got the tailored resume as clean text. You can format it yourself in Word or Google Docs if you prefer. Or you can ask Claude to convert it into a file for you. To do that, I'll give it one more prompt. This second prompt gives Claude the instructions to build a polished, properly formatted file. In the first prompt, I told Claude not to generate any files. That's because when tailoring and file generation happen together, Claude tries to do too much at once, and the output isn't as clean. So we split it. Tailor first, then convert. And there it is, a clean, well-formatted, one-page resume. Download it for free, and you're ready to apply. Just make sure to go through it carefully. The information should be accurate and true to your experience. Tweak anything that needs fixing, and you're good to go. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Subscribe to Resume Sector for more resume tips and AI workflows.